Welcome to Akriti Homes. Known for creating unique projects, Akriti Homes carries forward the legacy set by Akriti developers over the past 15 years. Join us on our new journey where we start a new chapter called Akriti Arc. Arc is located in the heart of Sarjapur Attibele Main Road, well connected to the other IT hubs such as Whitefield, Electronic City, Koramangala and Marathalli. Sarjapur today has the largest number of international schools such as Indus International, Oak Ridge International School, Greenwood High, Inventure Academy, the International School Bangalore and many more. It also has institutions such as Institute of Hotel Management, Bangalore Technology Institute, Bangalore College of Engineering and Technology, and the largest university, the Azim Premji University's permanent campus spread over 80 acres. The future of Sarjapur Attibele Road is well planned with an amalgamation of IT and industries. This road will hold the largest campus of Infosys spread over 350 acres, and Saudi Arabia's petrochemical major SABIC has already launched its operations here on a 46-acre campus. The road itself is a part of the satellite town ring road. The road will become a 300 feet wide road with 8 lanes. Akriti Arc, inspired from the first letter of the Hindi alphabet. Akriti Home is designed to provide an ideal home for singles, couples and families. The property offers lavish 3-bedroom row villas as well as 1, 2 and 3-bedroom apartments. Every home has been ingeniously designed in keeping with the laws of Vastu Shastra. There are several lush horizontal and vertical greens that have been carefully integrated to give you a sense of being nestled in your own world, surrounded only by nature. Besides the luxurious sanctity of your own apartment or row house, Akriti Arc has been designed to give its residents world-class amenities at their doorstep. This gives you the opportunity to be active and interact with others, promoting a sense of community living. A home at Arc is designed with a lot of thought. The ground floor consists of large, spacious living with a sit-out in the front for your evening cup of coffee, a well-planned kitchen with separate dry and wet areas, and a dining that connects you to a large backyard, giving you a sense of openness and luxury. We now make our way up to the next floor that consists of a children's bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and toilet. And here's your master bedroom with an inbuilt study and a walk-in wardrobe and toilet. As you go up to the next level, you have another bedroom, a large family room for your time of togetherness, and an additional space that can be either converted into your office or another guest bedroom. Connected to this is a private balcony. Finally, the terrace area, large enough to have your family and friends over for a fun time. With access to the 20,000 square feet clubhouse area, there is every reason to stay fit and relaxed. Swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, meditation room, restaurant, indoor games, jogging track and more. Akriti Homes, Anora number 289, Amarjyoti Layout, Donglur West Wing, Bangalore 560071. For further details visit sales@akritidevelopers.co.in.